Our first anti-aging facial oil is rosehip seed oil. And rosehip seed oil contains vitamin A. As a matter of fact, it is very rich in vitamin A. That's one vitamin that helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Rosehip seed oil also is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen, but it also helps to clear pigmentation on the skin. It is also rich in vitamin E, which helps to nourish and protect the skin. A combination of three amazing vitamins that are great for the skin topically. My next oil is actually a butter, and this is papaya seed butter. Papaya is also very much rich in vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin E, the three main vitamins for your skin. Vitamin A boosts collagen and elastin, and vitamin C help to clear pigmentation. The papaya seed butter can be used as a standalone, or it can be mixed with other oils like I'm going to share today. If you can get your hands on the papaya seed butter, guys, it's just very hydrating on the skin. My next oil is some vitamin E oil. And vitamin E oil is one of the most popular oil that you're going to find in your facial products, especially your moisturizer. Help to moisturize and nourish the skin. Vitamin E oil also protect the skin. Help to make your skin look soft, supple, and hydrated. A must in your oil collection. So now I'm going to move on to my next oil. My next oil is some jojoba oil. And this one is very versatile because it's good for your face, your hair, your nails, your lips. It's just good to use all over the body. However, it is also rich in vitamins that are great for the skin topically. You can choose to use it as a carrier oil or as a special oil, and you can also use it as a standalone. It's a very light oil and it will not clog the pores. Great to use AM and PM on the skin. Jojoba oil is also great for reducing pigmentation on the skin. And also, guys, if you find yourself with some jojoba oil, it's a great base oil to use with your other natural oils to create an anti-aging facial oil. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to show you how you can mix all these oils together to create a very powerful anti-aging facial oil that is good to use on your skin topically, AM and PM. So I'm going to start out with the papaya seed butter. Now, if you do not have the papaya seed butter and you have the papaya seed oil, go ahead and use it in this recipe. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the papaya seed butter. However, if you want to make more, double up on the ingredient. 1 teaspoon of the papaya seed butter. Next, I'm reaching for the rosehip seed oil. And rosehip seed oil, oh my goodness, guys, a very popular oil, but one that you definitely need in your collection. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil, and I'm pouring this in the bowl with my papaya seed butter. Now my next ingredient is the jojoba oil, and I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the jojoba oil, and we're going to add this to the bowl with the papaya seed butter and the rosehip oil. 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Now I'm going to reach for the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil comes in a wide variety of IU. The higher the IU, the less. This one I'm using is about 64,000 IU. So I'm going to use about 5 drops or so in this recipe. And now I'm going to blend all these amazing oils together. I'm blending papaya seed butter, rosehip oil, vitamin E oil, and some good old jojoba oil. And this, guys, makes your perfect anti-aging facial oil blend. A very rich oil that's going to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boost the collagen and elastin in the skin, hydrates the skin, clear pigmentation on the skin, soften the skin. Now here is a quick tip, guys. A facial oil is the last thing that you apply on your face. So whenever you're using your facial oil, go ahead and splash on your facial toner. And if you have a serum, go ahead and use your serum. Next, if you have a moisturizer, you can choose to use the moisturizer, or you can choose to use the facial oil. But if you're going to use the moisturizer, use the moisturizer, and on top of that, you apply this oil. For this oil, I personally do not use a moisturizer. I use the facial toner and serum, and then I put this on top and just massage it on the skin. So to use this, all you need is about 2 to 3 drops on your skin. Apply it on your face, your neck, and décolleté, and you need to apply this on clean skin, and you're gonna just massage this on your skin. The honest truth is, this works so good at night, guys, because it stays longer on your skin. So you can choose to use this as an overnight oil. Massage it on the face, the neck, and décolleté. Go to sleep with it and wake up with soft, supple, hydrated looking skin. Not only that, fresh, younger, brighter looking skin. A must try, a must try. Good for forehead wrinkles, deep laugh lines, sagging, jawline, lift and firm the skin. Also great for wrinkles under the eyes. A perfect oil to use not only on the face, but also your under eyes and your neck and décolleté. Store this on the countertop. When it is done, go ahead and make a new batch.